In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search by latitude and longitude in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your computer or mobile device. At the top of the screen, click or tap the search bar. Next, enter the latitude and longitude coordinates of the location you want to find. For example, you can type coordinates like 14.5995, 120.9842. Make sure the latitude comes first, followed by a comma, and then the longitude. Once you've entered the coordinates, press Enter on your keyboard or tap Search. Google Maps will immediately locate the coordinates, place a pin on the map, and zoom in on the matching location. From there, you can view nearby places, get directions, save the location, or share it with someone else. You can also find coordinates for any location by right-clicking on the map and selecting the coordinates shown. And that's it. You've successfully searched by latitude and longitude in Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.